Have you ever walked into a room and felt like something was missing? Maybe the walls seem plain, empty, and lifeless, like they need something to bring them to life. What if I told you that with just a few simple DIY wall art projects, you can transform any room in your home and make it feel more alive, personal, and inviting? Stick around because today I'm going to show you 5 easy DIY wall art projects that you can create to completely revamp your space. And trust me, you won't want to miss project number 5. It's a game changer for any room. Oh, and by the way, if you're tired of staring at blank walls, your walls are probably tired of staring back at you too. Let's fix that. First up, let's start with a project that's both stylish and ridiculously simple: framed fabric panels. This is a perfect way to bring colour, texture, and personality into a room without needing any advanced skills. All you need is some beautiful fabric, a few cheap frames, and a little creativity. Choose a fabric that matches the room's theme, whether it's bold patterns, soft pastels, or something a little quirky. Stretch the fabric over the frames, and voila, you've just created custom art for your walls. Here's the kicker. This project takes less than an hour, but instantly elevates any space. It's like buying high-end art, but without the high-end price tag. But if you think that was simple, wait until you see the next project. It's perfect for those who want a touch of nature inside their home. Next, let's talk about bringing a little nature indoors. Pressed leaf frames are not only beautiful, but also a great way to connect with nature in a modern, minimalist way. And the best part, you can gather the leaves for free from your backyard or local park. All you need are some delicate leaves or flowers, a glass frame, and a little patience. Press the leaves between the glass, and what you've got is a timeless, organic piece of art that adds warmth and serenity to any room. Quick question: when was the last time you framed a leaf? Exactly, it's time to try something new. But don't get too comfortable, because Project 3 is going to add a bold statement to your walls. Ready for something that truly pops? If you want to take things to the next level, nothing beats a geometric wall mural. This is for those of you who aren't afraid to make a statement. With just painter's tape, some paint, and a few hours, you can create a striking piece of wall art that turns heads. Here's how it works. Outline your shapes with the tape. Triangles, hexagons, diamonds, whatever speaks to you. Then choose 2 or 3 complementary colours and fill in the spaces. When you peel back the tape, you'll reveal a sleek, modern mural that will have everyone thinking you hired a professional. And trust me, your friends will ask for your decorator's number, but you don't have to tell them it was all you. Now, if you're still with me, you'll love project number 4. It's perfect for those who love to personalise their space. Now let's make it personal. A DIY photo gallery wall is one of the most meaningful ways to add art to your home, and it's super customizable. Whether it's photos of your travels, family, or favourite moments, this project brings your memories to life. Pick up some matching frames and arrange them on your wall in a grid or gallery style. And here's the fun part. It doesn't have to be all photos. Mix in some small art prints, postcards, or even souvenirs for an eclectic and personal touch. Fun fact, your friends will suddenly think you're a professional photographer once they see this on your wall. You might want to prepare your "it's just a hobby" speech. But before you rush off to print your photos, wait for the last project. It's a total game changer and might be the easiest one yet. Ready for the simplest and most versatile project? Washi tape wall art. This is for anyone who loves to change things up without the commitment of paint or nails. Washi tape comes in endless patterns and colours, and it peels off easily without damaging your walls. Create abstract shapes, a faux headboard, or even a temporary mural, all using tape. The best part, when you're ready for a new look, just peel it off and start again. This is perfect for renters or anyone who likes to refresh their space often. So what are you waiting for? It's time to turn those plain walls into something inspiring. These 5 DIY wall art projects are just the beginning. Now you have everything you need to completely transform your space, and you don't even have to spend a fortune to do it. But don't stop here. If you're looking to keep the creativity going, I've got another video you'll love. DIY outdoor decorations. Make your backyard a personal oasis. Click the link on your screen to watch it now, and let's continue turning your home into a work of art.